this video, we will take a detailed look at our specialized hose system known as the Baldus Scavenger System and explain exactly how it is properly assembled. You start with the breathing bag. This is attached to the lower end of the Beck tee. Now the corrugated hose is connected to the double hose using the connector. Following that step, the remaining free end of the flexible corrugated hose is carefully attached to the designated front outlet of the Beck tee connector. Now the suction hose is assembled. Right here we have a significantly longer hose and a much shorter one as well. Now the vacuum control block must be placed between the two hoses in the correct orientation. The shorter hose goes onto the part labeled vacuum, meaning suction. The longer piece of hose is attached to the part of the vacuum control block labeled mask. Now, the free end of the significantly longer hose is carefully attached to the double hose. Finally, you can carefully slide and position the hanger onto the flexible vacuum cleaner hose attachment, so that you can conveniently hang the entire unit up in any location you like. Then the suction hose can be connected to the chair suction unit.